Hi.
In this video we are in Kinsale, and where are we starting from?
Charles Fort.
Unfortunately we're here after closing, but we're going to go for a bit of a wander around and have a look, and then what are we going to do?
Head into Kinsale. Have a look
grab
around.
some dinner.
Grab some dinner.
To actually visit the fort is €5 per adult, and it's open from 10 till 5 or 10 till 6. Phil and I are trying to decide what these are used for. These tiny little turrets on the corner of the building. Put your ideas in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you've got to say.
What if this other wall was for something, or just...
I reckon it was the outer defence.
Yeah.
So there's a walk further down there along the coast. Charles Fort is about 2.5 kilometres out of town. Charles Fort is actually a star-shaped defence.
Obviously sailed out past the fort.
Yeah. In mud, that's a bit disheartening.
They'll float up when the tide comes in.
How quaint is this little street?
How tiny the streets are.
Yeah, they're very narrow.
Yeah.
Check out these little horses up here. We drove through town about an hour ago and it was packed. People everywhere. One of the highlights of coming after everything's closed. You can walk around the streets. How cool is that name of that shop? Check out this old building in amongst all the brightly coloured buildings of town. You know what I think about a tourist information centre? Great location in the town.
We just had dinner at the Jim Edwards, and it was lovely.
And you got your first dessert for the trip?
I did, yes. I had no dessert for this trip, so I don't know how many more I'll be having now. That was very filling.
It was a huge dessert.
Yeah.
This is a tumble cart. How quaint is this little street? Milk Market Cafe, full of character. Doing this corner in the opposite direction is a little bit hairy.
Turn right.
Morning has broken, my windows are open. Wanna feel the wind blow.
Place after my own heart.
And that'll get us in the front door too, will it?
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
For now, a little ensuite, but it'll do.
Sometimes I give up, just wanna be on my own. Even in the darkest times, you give me hope. So I lean on you when I've lost my way. I keep holding on for a better
we spent a lovely night at Grey Gables. If you're coming to Kinsale area and you don't want to stay in town, this is a lovely little stop.
In times that are changing and when hope is fading, I know I can turn to your embrace. 'Cause there's so much beauty under your heaven, and I'm grateful every day. Sometimes I give up, just wanna be on my own.
Kinsale is a lovely little town.
It is.
Not even in the quietness of the evening.
It's probably better in the quietness of the evening.
It is definitely.
Less crowds.
Yes. If you liked what you saw, why not hit the like and subscribe button? And as always, thanks for joining us. Travel
Travel brilliantly.
brilliantly. Bye.
Bye.